So this is strawberry brandy made from fresh strawberries here in La Trinidad, Benguet.
Ang dami ng shot mo. Half lang, half.
Cheers! Strawberry brandy. Shot.
Lasang strawberry.
That's good. This is ilang percent?
28.
This is 28% alcohol by volume, but hindi ko masyado nalalasahan yung alcohol niya. Pwede siguro to panggawa ng mga cocktail. Medyo maasim siya na medyo matamis, but it definitely feels like, tastes like fresh strawberry. What's that?
How much?
How much is that? I don't know. I'm not a seller here.
Oh, 50.
Oh, it's 50. 50 pesos. Okay. You wanna taste this? Pinoy ka ba? Are you Pinoy?
Free? Sample?
Oh, I'll give you a taste. Come on. Come here. Here's a shot glass. Pinoy ba kayo?
One boss.
Ha?
Ilocano boss.
Ilocano. Sige. So, pasitin natin sila, kuya. Ayan, shot glass.
Eh, alam niyo ba si Jen?
That's brandy. Strawberry brandy.
Ano yan?
Arak? Oo, manglo.
Sarap? Oh, inuman na tayo dito. Pulutan. Ay, may chicharon, no?
Good, bro, good.
Good, good. Sarap.
Thank you, thank you.
These are the strawberry farms here in La Trinidad. This is about 30-minute drive away from the main town area ng Baguio City. So dinadayo talaga to ng mga turista. Specifically for this activity or this experience, strawberry picking. Let's see. There's one. Yeah, there you go. So dito sa Baguio, maraming uses ang strawberry. Aside from the usual strawberry jam, meron din silang popular na strawberry taho. It's way sweeter than the usual arnibal na ginagamit sa pampatamis sa taho. It's good. That's something na hindi mo makikita sa Manila. Let me take you down
'Cause I'm going
to
to
strawberry fields. Nothing is real.
Ain't got nothing to get about. Strawberry fields forever.
Aside from La Trinidad dito sa Baguio, saan pa ba tumutubo ang mga strawberries dito sa Pilipinas? I don't know, let me know down in the comments kung saan pa may mga strawberry farm here in the Philippines. So ang gagawin natin dito sa mga strawberries na na-pick namin ay kikiluhin. And it has to be a minimum of 1 kilo para mabayaran siya ng halagang 700 pesos. Here, you pay for the experience of picking your own strawberries from the farm itself. So, yun ang binabayaran dito. 700 pesos for 1 kilo of strawberry. Okay, so, pagsamasamahin ng mga strawberry na nakuha, 3 baskets. Anong timbang na?
7. Kulang pa.
Okay lang yan, dadagdagan ni Sir. Yes. Alright, perfect. Galing niya, perfect yung nakuha niya.
Wow.
Cheers! Strawberry ice cream. So this is one of the many products na ginagawa dito sa La Trinidad. Nagawa sa strawberry. This is strawberry ice cream. Hindi pa pala ako nagbabayad. Kalimutan ko. Kung pupunta kayo ng Baguio, siguraduhin yung dumaan kayo dito sa La Trinidad, Benguet for the strawberry experience. Look at this. It's a huge strawberry, the biggest strawberry in the world. Behind me.